Hello students, good morning everybody. In the previous class, we started the concept integration, indefinite integration. Let us continue the problems of indefinite integration. Look at this question. First question says integral x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 1 upon x square dx. What shall we do for doing this problem? Let us split first this x square to every term of numerator. So how do we write that? X cube by x square plus 5x square by x square plus 4x by x square plus 1 by x square. Is that clear? For every term of numerator it is written. Now we can cancel here integral. If it is cancelled, 1x remains. Here x square cancel plus 5 plus here 4 by x plus 1 by x square dx. So this can be written as integral x dx splitting for every term plus integral 5 dx plus integral 4 by x dx plus integral 1 by x square dx. Right? Now these constant terms we can keep it aside. That can be written as I told you, integral x power n dx formula x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. This is the formula we are going to use here. This can be written as x power 1 plus 1 x square by 2 plus 5 can be kept aside, integral 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? X plus c, 5x plus 4 can be kept aside, integral 1 by x dx equal to log mod x plus c, because derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x. So 4 log mod x plus this can be brought aside like this, minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2. So apply the formula. X square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 log mod x plus into minus I am writing minus 1 by x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x minus 1 by x plus. So therefore, what is the answer? Final answer, x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 1 upon x square dx equal to x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 log mod x minus 1 by x plus. That is the end of first solution. Okay. Hope it is clear. Let us see the second question. Second question says, same model, but here we have square root x. First what I am going to do is integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x dx equal to integral x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x. Did you understand this step? Hope it is clear. I am writing for every term of numerator. If you take LCM, we shall get same again. So this can be written as x square into x. I will write like this: x square into x by root x. This root x times 6 cancel, plus 4 by this I am writing x to the power 1 by 2. Okay. For your information, x can be written as root x into root x. Okay, one root x gets cancelled, one root x will remain. Here also same. I am doing is x square into root x will remain, that can be written as x power 1 by 2 plus 3x power 1 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Now, bases are equal, powers can be added. 2 plus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 3x power 1 by 2 plus 4x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now split integration x power 5 by 2 dx plus 3 integral x power 1 by 2 dx plus 4 integral x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. For doing that, we are going to use one formula: x power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. So this can be written as x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 means 7 upon 2. 2 by 7 I am writing in the numerator. Okay, plus 3 into this is x power 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, right? You will get 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus 4 into this will be x power half by half. So this will be 2 x to the power half plus 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2, 3 gets cancelled, 2 x power 3 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8, x power 1 by 2 means root x we can write. Therefore, integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x dx equal to 2 by 7 x to the power 7 by 2 plus 2x power 3 by 2 plus 8 root x plus c. That's all. The end of second solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.